Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert picture into a publisher document without moving the text. So let's started. At first open your publisher document. In this video, I will show insert picture into a without the moving the text. Now going to the insert one option. Then click. Now click for a picture option. Now find your picture. Now select from picture. Now click for insert option. Now you can see insert from picture. This picture insert without the moving the text. Now going to the wrap text option. Then click for none. Now resize your image. Now moving the image. That is. Now you can see picture insert publisher document without moving the text is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.